Imagine your teacher asks, "How many students wear glasses in this class?" How would you find out? Today, we learn how to collect data. Data means facts or information we gather about something. When we count students or measure heights, we are collecting data. There are three main ways to collect data. Observation means watching and recording. Questioning means asking people. Measurement means using tools like rulers or scales. Data comes in two types. Discrete data is counted in whole numbers like number of goats. Continuous data is measured and can be any value like weight or height. Example 1. A teacher asks 30 students their favorite sport. We record answers using tally marks. Every fifth mark crosses the group diagonally. Football gets 12 tallies, so frequency is 12. We count each group and check the total equals 30. This is a frequency table for discrete data. Example 2. We measure heights of 20 students in centimeters. Since height is continuous, we group values into class intervals like 140 to 149. A student who is 145 centimeters falls in the 140 to 149 group. We tally each interval and confirm all 20 students are counted. Common mistake. Students confuse discrete and continuous. Ask yourself, can I count it in whole numbers? Then it is discrete. Must I measure it? Then it is continuous. Remember this trick. If you count it, it is discrete. If you measure it, it is continuous. Collect data by observing, questioning, or measuring. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes and practice questions. See you next time.